Well, I'm gonna do a little farm update. So this is temporary. I'm getting there. I got the one piece of siding right there on. Redid the roof. I've been busy, real busy. So picked this up on Marketplace. A screen door for 150 bucks. Really nice. 2x6 walls. So this is gonna be my little greenhouse kind of hangout room. Once it's done, I got a ceiling fan I picked up on Marketplace. No, I got it for free. They were tearing down the house, so I picked it up for free. So yeah, I got this one, and then I did the roof. I did a soffit and a fascia, and yeah, it's getting there, guys. Little by little. It was just a overhang, but now I screened it in. And I finished the redwood fence, and you can see it here. Um, 6 feet tall, pretty nice. And let's do a little farm update here. And let's see. I was gonna try to put some lawn in here, but we'll see. We'll see what happens over here. So the fence is like 200 feet, I guess. Maybe a little longer. Cost me a few bucks, but you know what? It's fine. The colds came through and ruined my trees. This is the problem with being at altitude. Killed my apricot tree. Pretty ugly, huh? So it is what it is. And I think it kind of decimated some of these peaches too. So if I get any peaches, I'll be surprised. Very surprised. So let's see, we got asparagus coming up now. Lots of garlic coming up. Strawberries are all blossoming. Let's see. Yeah, we got a lot of blossoms down here. These are 2 different varieties. There's the blossoms on that one. And here's some onions, garlic onions. They had overabundance of them, so I pulled a lot out. These are nice. AC Valley right here. That's what these are called. AC Valley. Pretty nice. Lots of strawberries. And I get a net to put over as soon as they start fruiting. So let's see, what else? Oh, forgot to open this. Let's open this one too. So this is corn, and my buddy said, hey, let's plant some corn, which was like weeks ago, and it froze, so I had to replant. I gotta get a new end door. The wind's beat up the door pretty bad, so time for new stuff. Let's go inside the greenhouse. I've been doing a lot of work in there too. So let's see. Yesterday I planted turnips, radish, carrots are not going to come up right now because I planted those too early. So I got some broccoli in here. These are red onions. I put some yellow onions in. These are red onions, are looking good. Potatoes are starting to come out. That's what those are. Those are potatoes. I put radishes all along here. And some more onions. And in here I've been doing a lot of work. Stuff's going to seed. I gotta take, this is celery. So I'm gonna keep this celery seed. This is cilantro. It's gone. It's gone, gone, gone. And more garlic onions. Radishes go in the seed. Looking pretty good in here. I got a lot of starch going. Lettuce. Artichokes are coming in. We're gonna harvest this one today. Isn't that beautiful? So that's ready to harvest right there. So let's grab this. So what you want to do is you take it down, you know, to about here, and it's ready to eat. So that's 2. I've already had 4, so let's see if I get some more coming out. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep. Small, but they good. Let me grab my container here. And we get some more over here. And while I'm here, I'm gonna harvest some spinach for my breakfast. Not a lot of meat, but these are good. I'll enjoy it. Well, there's quite a few there. I think I get some more over here, I'm not sure. Let's see. These are really small. I don't know if it's good to harvest them or not. Let's try it. Let's try it. And let me harvest some spinach for breakfast. Maybe a couple beautiful radishes. What do you think? Let's go check out the radishes here. Oh, you know what? I forgot. This is tarragon and parsley, so let me grab some parsley for breakfast. And I can dry some. Let's see. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll take a couple branches of the tarragon. And then I'll dry them. I guess you dry them like marijuana. I don't know. Upside down. Aha, get some caterpillar on there, huh? How many we got? One or two? Let's take a big branch of tarragon. All right. Tarragon and parsley. And I got some beans over here too. Some snow peas, if you will. I wouldn't mind taking some of those, but let's check out these radishes. You got any nice ones here? Oh yeah. Look at that thing. Isn't that beautiful? And by the way, radish tops are really good and healthy to eat. Very healthy, very good to eat. Beautiful, purple and red. And look at this, snow peas. I'll come back out here and harvest some of these. I'll have some peas tonight. Alrighty, and these are potatoes right here. And I got lettuce coming. So, anyway, let's go inside. And some Swiss chard. Alright guys, let's see. That's the update. You can see the trees, it actually killed them pretty good. My walnut tree is decimated. And I don't know. Yeah, what a sad thing. Look at that. I don't know if they'll come back. Anyways, thanks for watching this little update. Oh, this is an apple tree from seed. I just planted a peach that I had seed starting to come up. Those are 3 years old. This is 3 years old. I got this apples from seed. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Oh crap, what's next? Here on the farm.